Do you know you can earn free ton on this new Telegram bot you are seeing here? Every day you can log in into this new Telegram bot and you'll be earning free ton for yourself. And this ton you can withdraw it to your own wallet account. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys step-by-step method on how you can install this new Telegram bot on your phone and how you can be using it to be earning free ton for yourself every blessed day, and also how you can withdraw this ton to your own wallet. That is what I'll be showing you guys on this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because if you decided to skip a part, you may miss some things I'm going to show you on how you can use this Telegram bot. So don't skip any part. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, I am Nupe Flavor TV. In this channel, I teach you how you can make massive income with your smartphone or with your laptop, and also how you can grow your business. So if that sounds so interesting to you and today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you will also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you how you can get started with this new Telegram bot, and also how you can be earning this ton and withdraw it to your own wallet account. Let's get started. So now let's get started, and to get started all you have to do is to head over to the description of this video. On the description of this video, you are going to see the link to my Telegram channel. I'll be leaving down the link to this Telegram bot on my Telegram channel. So make sure you check my Telegram channel. You are going to see the link of this video together with the link of this Telegram bot. So when you click on it, it will bring you to an interface like this where you can get started. And the next thing you are going to do is to click on start. And when you click on start like this, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now, as you can see, this is the money I've earned so far since the day I started this. Now, it's mining itself. Now, I can click on get free ton. Now, if I click on it, you are going to see my account has increased. Now, I'll click on close. Now, every 24 hours, I'll just be coming back and be clicking on get free ton, and I'll be getting 0.1 ton every day. And this one will be mining itself, as you guys can see, and you can also withdraw from it. Now, when you scroll down here, you are going to see time left, as you can see, your daily 0.03 ton, as you can see. This is the time left. So, as you can see, you can also click on rent more if you want to rent more. So, you can also see here where it says invite friends. As you can see, get 0.1 ton for each successful friends you invited. So if you can be able to copy this link and invite people, you also earn money from it. As you can see, it says get 10% of profit from your referrals and 0.1 ton for registration. So as you can see, now this is the, if you want to withdraw, you have money, you want to withdraw, you can also withdraw here. Now, another thing you can do here is that when you click on miners here, click on miners is going to take you to where you can rent for 3 ton. As you can see, you rent 3 ton, you get 9 ton. As you can see, you rent 6 ton, you get this ton. As you can see, so this is where you can also rent ton if you want to rent more ton, so that you can meet up and make a lot of ton for yourself, so that you can be able to withdraw in time. Now, when you go back, you are also going to see task here. When you click on task, you also see other tasks which you can do, and you'll be earning some money for yourself. Now, as you can see, they have start miner here where you also mine with tasks. Now, as you can see, Telegram channel here where you can click on Telegram channel. You can also join other Telegram channel. As you can see, you click on join and you also earn extra ton for yourself. You can also click on the first one. Now, let's go back again. Now, when we come down, as you can see, when we come back, as you can see, our account balance has increased right now. So if you make a lot of ton here and you want to withdraw, all you have to do is just to click on withdraw here. And when you click on withdraw, it's going to ask you for your amount you want to withdraw, your wallet, and you enter your menu comment. As you can see, you can enter your menu comment here. Just enter the amount, your wallet, and menu comment, and you click on withdraw, and the money is going to be withdrawn to your ton wallet. So this is how you can use this platform and be doing it for free, and you'll be making money for yourself. every blessed day. So if you need the link to this Telegram bot, I'll be leaving down the link on my Telegram channel, and the link to my Telegram channel is going to be on the description of this video. So join my Telegram channel and you get the link to this Telegram bot. So this is how you can do it. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you'll also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.